Hello students, we are solving problem on balanced masses. So 4 masses we have covered already. Today in this part of our lecture we will take 5 masses. In last problem also we have taken same 5 masses. We will solve one more problem on 5 masses and then we will go for next part of next type of problems. Okay, so it is given 5 masses. 5 masses are there. A, B, C, D, E are attached to a shaft and revolve in a same plane. Okay. The mass of A is 200 Newton. So B is 100 Newton. C is 160 Newton respectively. So A, B, C values are given. And the radius of rotation is equal. That means all are rotating in a same radius. That is, we'll take it as R. Okay, equal to R. And now angular position of masses are masses B, C, D and E are 60 degree, 135 degree, 210 degree and 270 degree. So 4 angles are given from mass A. So when it is given from mass A, you should take directly. Calculate the magnitude of D and E. So you should find what is MD and ME for a complete balance. He is telling that it is complete balance. That means you should equate it to 0. Horizontal force is equal to 0 and vertical force is equal to 0. So solve by analytical method. So we will try to solve this problem. So we will take first. So what all the given values we will take first. So then we will go on solving the problem. Now, so what all is given? MA, MB, MC, MD is MD and ME are given. ME are 5 masses are there. MA is how much? MA is given how much? It is given 200 Newton. MB is given 100 Newton. MC is 160 Newton. MD and ME you should find. In 5 masses you should find always MD and ME. 2 masses will not be given, that you have to find. Now it is given RA, RB, RC and RD and RE. All are same. All are same means all are same, that is equal. So I will take all are R only. I take all are having R. Let's assume that it is having all radius are R. So now next step is you should find MARA, MBRB, MCRC, so 200 into R, 200 R. This we don't know, so we'll keep as it is. MD into R. This is ME into R. So now we'll write what all the angles are given. So we'll write, so what all the angles are given. So angles are given how much? Always first angle is 0. Second angle is 60 degrees given. 135 degrees given. 210 degrees given. 270 degrees given. Okay, so these are the values we have noted. So we'll go on solving the problem now. Now we'll find what is next step. So cos of 0, cos of 60, cos of 135, then cos of 210 degree, cos of 270 degree 0. Same, take sine of theta A. So what is sine of 0 is 0. Sine of next 60 degree sine of 210 degrees minus 0.5. See, sine also you should consider minus 1. So these all values we have noted down. Okay, so now we'll directly take the what is the equation. He is telling that for a complete balance horizontal force is 0. So what is horizontal force is given by so in terms of costs. So 5 masses are there, so extra I have taken MERE also is equal to 0. Horizontal force is given by this equation is equal to 0, and substitute the values. (200 into 1). So 200 into 1. This you have to go on writing. (160) into cos theta is how much? Minus 0.70. MDRD is how much? Same. I'll keep as it is, MD into R. 0.866. MERE, ME into R. So this is 0. Is equal to 0. Okay, and just I have substituted the values. This, what is the common here in all terms? R is common, so I'll take R common. So minus into plus will be minus 160 into 0.707. Minus I have taken outside. R has gone outside. See, this is 0 into this will be 0. So now I have written this. Okay. So R I have taken and I have written whole thing. 200 into 100. R I have taken outside. Okay. So now when you shift R here, it will be divided by. So it will 0 by anything is 0. So it will be 0. So now it will be 0. This will be 200 plus 50 minus. See, when you find 160 into 0.707, so 113.12. Say 0.86, you will get 0.866. So 0.86 MD. Okay, you will get. So but here, so what is the, okay, so it is in minus 0.866.